Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu salukwazi ndoda lesugogo Bathini Mbatha. Welcome back to your favorite channel, Gogo Bathini Mbatha TV on your YouTube channel. Kanza kwethu there was a request from subscribers to say Gogo, please touch on the issue of Ukuthwetshulwa. Gogo yini ukuthwetshulwa? Baba uthwetshuliwe, ugogo uthwetshuliwe, antu uthwetshuliwe, umfowethu uthwetshuliwe, ababhekanga ekhaya, ingane zakhe ziyahlupheka, udadewethu washona washiya ingane zakhe ziyahlupheka, imali zakhe sibhalisile noma imali zika baba noma imali zika mama iphumi, kuthiwa ngoba idlozi alisabhekanga ekhaya, asazi manje ukuthi yini isibhakela, yini iqupha, yini impama. Gogo sisa. As per your request, we're going to touch base on 3 different types of Ukuthwetshulwa. Number 1, it's my favorite because umuntu wakhona uya ngoshoda, which is good because we don't need such umuthi. Yilo ukuthwetshulwa lokho ukuthi in your presence nibona ngathi umuntu uyaphila. Nibona ngathi umuntu is amongst you. Nibona ngathi umuntu everything it's fine, noma uyayigulela nje and everything. Kanti umuntu kade wahamba emehlweni wenu. Akashonile kade wahamba emehlweni wenu. Usekuphi manje lo muntu useyasetshenziswa njengomkhovu, njengesilwane thizeni, uyasetshenziswa nina into eniyibonayo phambi kwenu nibona isithunzela. 2, number 2, nithole ulokhozana ukuthi umuntu uthwetshulwe ngokuthi uthwetshulwe edlozini, uthwetshulwe as idlozi, akathwetshulwanga yena saphila but uthwetshulwe as idlozi, meaning ukuthi bamthenile ukuthi angabheki ekhaya, bamthenile ukuthi konke akwenzayo angabheki ekhaya, konke akwenzayo akwenzele lo muntu loyo osuke emthwebulile. Kwesinye isikhathi kuyibizwa ngokuthi kuphehlwa amanzi amnyama, noma kuthiwa kuthwetshulwe idlozi, noma kuthiwa kuntshontshwe idlozi, noma kuthiwa idlozi lihambe lisetshenziswe ngendlela engafanele, meaning bayalithatha baliphindisele ningaboni, balithathe baliphindisele ningaboni. Abanye thola ukuthi umuntu unelwane okuyizona ezimtshenayo ukuthi kunomuntu ozofika azolungisa idlozi and then umsamo, and then umuntu afika alungisa umsamo bese baya relax, badedela idlozi ukuthi linisebenzele, nijabule bese niya relaxa, baphinde balithathe futhi. The third one ukuthi umuntu anyamalale nje. That's why there's shows about abandoned, there's shows about khumbula ekhaya. Why are those shows? Because abanye abantu bagcine banyamalala bangasatholakala. Those shows are better because of they are able to trace ukusuka umuntu alahleke kwangempela. But I'm talking about ukuthi noma nithi niyamfuna umuntu manifika labathi impela bekahlala lana kodwa last year waphinde wahamba futhi lana asimazi ukuthi lo muntu ushonephi. That is the third way of ukuthwetshulwa, ngokuthi umuntu amane aduke, umuntu amane ahambe, umuntu amane adubi ekhaya ehambe ningamazi nokuthi ushonephi umuntu, nimfune nibukweni bathi no siyambona, niyeke abantu abahlolayo bathi uzobuya within 3 months, uzobuya within 3 days, uzobe within isikhathi singaka, umuntu angabuyi. Kanti yini umuntu vele la sekhona akasekho esimweni somuntu eningaphinde futhi nihlale naye, usethutshuliwe, usenziwe ini isimo somkhovu. So kubalekile kakhulu ukuthi uma uyohlola, I've mentioned 3 things. Uma uyohlola, find out ukuthi makhosi mawuthi ubaba, I'll make an example ngobaba, mawuthi ubaba uthwetshuliwe, ngicela ukwazi makhosi ukuthi uthwetshulwe ngandlelani. Uthwetshulwe ngokwesimo sokuthi wahamba ephila thina siyitshena ukuthi umuntu uyaphila kanti sashona whatever thina sesingcwaba akho lutho. Kunabanye abantu thola ukuthi baze bahambe to an extent ukuyogubha ithuna babone ukuthi sangcwabani ngempela. Abanye kuyekuthiwe bafike lapha nabathola ithuna engenalutho, abanye bathifile lapha bathi amathambo sawathola, ama DNA aconductor uyena ngempela lo muntu. So now you are confused. Then we move to number 3. It means maybe umuntu wathwetshulwa ngokusimo sedlozi. Number 2, which means vele umuntu usho ukuthi wathwetshulwa ngokusimo sedlozi. Number 3, it's quite clear because usuke uhambele indaba ukuthi walahleka. It means if ever uthwetshulwe wathwetshulwa ngokuthi vele kunina walahleka oba umuntu ophumayo ahamba emsebenzini. Abanye abantu bayakwazi ukuthi umuntu bamthwebule alahleke ebuye kanti akaseyena exactly umuntu enitshena ukuthi uyena, seka umuntu osebenzela omunye umuntu. So umuntu makuthiwa ubuye walahleka, it is very important ukuthi mebuya ake nithole usizo, mambiseni kumele lapho endabuko, mambiseni kumthandazi thizeni, whatever help, mambiseni kumfundisweni nimthembayo. That person must get help. Kufanele ukuthi egezwe eqiniso, kwenzelani ukuthi whatever ukuthola ukuthi uyenzile kwayena angayazi. Abanye ke uzukubone ngenkani. Umuntu makabe nenkani njena angafuni ukuzwa lutho uyalwa manje imtshela ngendaba njena ulokhuza ngcono nibiza umuntu ukuthiwa uzosebenza ekhaya, hayi ukuthi umuntu ukuthiwa uzolapha yena direct. Nina umuntu bazimbriefile eceleni nithi njoba usitshela lo muntu njoba edukile la aye khona uyosetshenziswa usebuyile ke njoba ushilo sacela kufike wena uzoba umuntu vele ekade simbhukhile vele ukuthi azokhipha nje imoya emibi ekhaya kuba ngathi yena kanakiwe kanti usizo lubheke kuyena. So these 3 things ngani zakuthi they are very important. They are very important. The first one, don't stress a lot about it. There are very few yabathakathi who can still mix umuthi ukuthi umuntu ethwebuleke. Fana nokuthi abantu abasanemithi yokuthi umuntu avela enyamalala. Izinto efana lezi. Le mithi le iya ngokuphela because abantu bebesuke benyamalala ngoba umuntu usuke eyothakatha. Athi umuntu engathi ngibona usibani kodwa hayi ngeke ukuthi babe sebalekile isikhathi sincane kanje ukusho ukuthi bengingeyena vele ngizwile yena ukuthi usendaweni ethize akekho la endaweni. Izinto efana lezo nayo ke imithi lena ukuthi umuntu nimbone ngathi uyaphila kanti akasaphili nina whatever eningcwaba seningcwaba isithunzi sakhe aningcwabi yena uqobo. And then because I want this thing to get into us, we need to understand it so that when it happens, when you go uyohlola wherever now you go, where you're going to, you need to have an understanding. You need to have relevant questions. Ungabuzi nje untante. You need to be specific with your questions so that you can get a specific answer, a specific response in what you are asking. Second one, yile yokuthi kuthwetshulwe idlozi. Then you know ukuthi umuntu makathi idlozi lakini lithwetshuliwe njoba namabhadi njoba ingane izifela njengoba amantombazana la ekhaya zalele ekhaya izinto efana lezo ukuthi idlozi lithwetshuliwe njoba la ekhaya abafana abakhona namantombazana imisebenzi bayithola balahlekelwe imisebenzi ubani uqualifyile la ekhaya une degree nama qualifications akathola umsebenzi ubani solo kwathatha license wasebenza kaye one taxini waphela umsebenzi yonke into ayilungi la ekhaya. Abesathumela lapha indaba it's because kwathwetshulwa idlozi. Then you have minimum questions to ask because already lo muntu sekakunikele an idea yokuthi why is this happening, which means kwenziwani kwathwetshulwa idlozi, which means fanele kulungisweni, fanele kulungiswe kuhlanjululwe isimo somsamo, kuhlanjululwe isimo njena esikhona njena ekhaya so that izinto zizokwazi ukuhamba kahle. Then you get the third one kube sekuthiwa hayi izinto zihamba kabi njena usibani abantu abadala bangibonisa yena kushumela lapha indabuko kuthiwa walahleka kunjalo na yebo kunjalo ubhuti walahleka umama walahleka uanti walahleka usibanibani walahleka ubaba walahleka okay lo muntu lo walahleka wathwetshulwa hayi ukuthi walahleka wafaka udukwanezwe wafaka udube ekhaya wasetshenziswa wathathwa ngokusimo somuthi wathwetshula lo muntu lona la ekhona usebenzela abakhona makafikile kunina ngamaphupho usuka zikontshontsha inhlanhla usuka zikontshontsha izinto la ekhaya niyeniboneni ukuthi impuphu isheshe iphele ukudla la ekhaya niyakuthenga kodwa kusheshe kuphele ini niyayenza kodwa kwenzakala izinto azenzeke is because lona itshe ukuthi walahleka akalahlekanga wenzeni uthwetshuliwe na so then you have relevant questions whether they are minimum or they are maximum it doesn't matter then you can ask how can we stop that please guys before you want ukuthi umuntu akene abuye before you want umuntu akene othwetshuliwe ukuthi in seek for a solution the most important solution ukuthi how do we stop that first how do we stop ukuthi angaphinda asetshenziswe then after si stop ukuthi angaphinda asetshenziswe then you can say simbuyisa kanjani lokho zami so you stop the case first you stop whatever abayenzile first then you ask a question ukuthi okay mase simstopile uthe singamstopa kanjani singambuyisa kanjani ukuthi ebuye ekhaya abe kanye nathi singalibuyisa kanjani idlozi manje ukuthi sesilistopile singasetshenziswa ngendlela engafanele silibuyisa kanjani ke manje ukuthi libhekeke to stop and to look those are two different things to stop you're stopping the case from happening from continue to happen and then you need then to open la ukuthi ledlozi phela alisebenze phela lisebenzele thina kuphi lapha ekhaya and then if ever you got into that then now you know ukuthi you have dealt with a problem unlike ukuthi umuntu athi okay idlozi lizobuya idlozi libuya lisanamandla idlozi libuya vele livaliwe and everything kanti nina azange nivale into idlozi lenza azange nivale lo muntu lona ohambile osetshenziswa ukuthi whatever phathisona ingaphindi isetshenziswe azange nivale ukuthi njengoba nina nangcwaba isithunzela lesithunzela lesesiphenduka umkhovi empilweni zeni nisivala kanjani bese nithola ukuthi into zene ziyaqhubeka senishintshe inyanga you go to this person akulungi you go to the next person akulungi uyaphahla akulungi wenza ini akulungi is because of azange nivale what is important ukuvala okubi okwenziwe uyini isimo sokuthwetshula komuntu wasekhaya saluka sendoda ugogo Bathini Mbatha umavula kuvaliwe emzini amanye amadoda uLocksmith uanti usha abanye abangaziyo bathi umncwabu uhlehlile lapho sesithi khona kasekho wavuka kwabafileyo wabuya idlozi lamthumela emuva nomvenqange ukuthi azosiza abantu kanisa kwethi the booking line is the only one is 0357995703 0357995703 that's the only number for bookings don't be scammed by people who are lying ukuthi yimi ugogo faka imali engaka for bookings we don't work like that please stay safe make sure ukuthi we sanitize we living in a difficult times we living in COVID-19 times don't forget to sanitize social distance and make sure ukuthi if you feel sick or otherwise you consult your medical doctor so that you can get a proper medication as soon as possible you don't want to be like me Thokozani